I'd like to start off by talking about the dreaded condition of osteoporosis. There's millions of people, tons of money being spent every year on research and on medical conditions trying to abate the symptoms of osteoporosis, but to no avail. All the prescriptions are not working, everything is going amok. So what I'm trying to say is that one of the reasons that we're talking about osteoporosis, there's millions of poor women out there right after menopause and also starting even as early as 50 years old, wind up with the bone density problems. And if you never understood it, it is horrible. They can't walk properly. They have achy bones. They're just, and you can't blame the old ladies for being crumpy because they're in pain constantly. And I like to use the word old ladies because I'm an old man myself and I can get away with it. So in the meantime, what I'm saying is that the reason this happened is they lack the hormone that is the generator of the remodeling of the bone, which our product is, by the way. Oleuropein is the generator. It starts off and it takes the place. It takes the place of the natural generator, which are hormones, proteins, and enzymes that are missing now in this poor woman's body. So we are substituting for what nature gave the person. We are substituting with a natural product that is the generator to start the bone remodeling, replacing the old bone and the missing bone with this new, bright, dense bone, which the increase of the osteoblast has been taking place due to the fact of our product, Oleuropein. So our formula helps all these poor women who have osteoporosis due to their no problem of their own. Everybody was blaming it on their diet. It's not their diet. It's the fact that the hormones are not pushing and getting started with the bone developing process, which again, I repeat, which our product does. It takes the place of the missing hormones due to the menopause and other medical conditions of these poor people suffering from osteoporosis.